Hi, this is a Screencastify video showing you how to use Google Drawing. For our Business Explosion advertisement, mine is located inside our Google Classroom. There is one that is a sample for you to view, and then there is your actual copy of the business advertisement, and that one is a blank Google Sheet. You will be clicking on the blank one. Your screen will look slightly different from mine, but it's still just about the same. I'll click on my sample one for you to see. Once you're on Google Drawing, here are a few pointers to help you out. You may want to have your business name nice and bold on top or somewhere on your poster. To do that, you may go to the tab that says Insert and Word Art. Then you may go ahead and type in your business. This one says Shining Star Jewelry Shop, and it's the name of a shop from one of my previous students, or a team from my previous year. Here we go. If you don't like the way the color looks, you can actually change it right here where it says fill color into something else. Okay. If you want to create regular text, you can do so by clicking on this text box and then drawing the shape of the text box anywhere. Okay. If you want to change the text, you may do so by changing the font as well as the size over here. Okay, one tip. Do you see how this text box is still pretty large for the text that I have here? I can go ahead and go to any corner of my box and drag it inward so that it's just the right size. I can also use the arrow features on my keyboard to move it back and forth. The reason why that will be helpful later on is if you have a lot of things going on your poster, you don't want your text boxes to be extra large, because if it is, then it makes it hard for you to click on a certain item or text. Let's say that you want to take a picture. You can do so by going to Insert and Image, because we do want to have our good or our service on our poster as well. Instead of going to search the web, which is Google, you can take a photo of your actual prototype or item. So I'm going to click on my camera feature right here. Peekaboo! And I'm going to hold up my product in my hand, which is totally different from over there. I'm just showing you a sample. And then I will just figure a way how I want to take my picture and smile. And then I can click on Insert. And ta-da! Here's the photo. Just like the text box, if you drag on a corner, you may resize this to be any size that you want. If you click on a side, this will actually change the photo. Do you see that? Now it's too wide, so you don't want to pull it from the sides. Or now it's too skinny. Always drag based on the corner instead. I'll delete that one since we already have a photo of the team who worked on this jewelry shop. Okay. They also have a photo of their item, which is awesome. If you want to create some fun other text boxes using different shapes, you can click on shape right over here. And here we go. There are many different types. Maybe I want to have a cloud instead. Then I'll do the same like I did with my text box. I see my plus sign. I'll go ahead and drag it out. And then I may choose to change that color in the background. Let's say I want it to be another purple one. Or if I don't like it, I'll just come back and change it again. I want it to be a light purple like the rest. I can leave the cloud just the way it is, or I may go back and add in a text box and some text. Please make sure that you have on your poster the item that you're selling, the name of your shop, your name, a photo or two, and also the price that you are selling it for. Have fun!